If you have bought a used Wii before, you may have seen some Virtual Console or Wiiware titles on it. Even if your factory reset the console, it's actually still possible to download the games again. As you can see right here, I have Break-In on the TurboGrafx 16 from the previous owner of this Wii, and it works flawlessly. The previous owner had more Virtual Console and Wiiware games than this, so I'll show you how to download them. Go into Options, then Wii Settings, to the side, Internet, Connection Settings, and then from here you connect to your internet. Once you have connected to the internet, you may get asked if you want to update your console. But if you don't, you will have to go one more to the side and then Wii System Update. And then press Yes and Accept. If you are already updated, this menu will pop up, and then just press Wii menu. Now find the Wii Shop channel on your Wii menu and start it. The Wii Shop channel is very slow as it has been closed down and you won't find a lot of titles in there. Once you get to here, you start shopping, then on titles you have downloaded, and then from here you can find your previously downloaded games and channels. I'm going to download Star Soldier R, but you can download whatever you want. Press the 0 points button, then Wii System Memory, press OK. And then Yes, but Yes is in the other side now, be careful of that. And then the download begins. Then this screen should pop up and then you press OK. From here you press Continue, and then you can choose to go back to titles you've downloaded and download some more. Or you can press the home button on your controller, then Wii menu, Yes, and then you'll go back. Now the game I just downloaded is right here on my home screen and I can start it whenever I want.